What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie, and welcome to the channel Thrift-Onfire. Today's going to be a what sold video, what sold for me recently at eBay and Poshmark. This does take place over a couple of days. I was out here yesterday getting some stuff shipped out last minute, and then today I have to do the same before dropping our stuff off at Stallion Express. So these are sort of like midweek sales, and they're okay. We're still running sales. I'm still giving big discounts on some stuff. So we have some lower value stuff and some middle tier stuff going out right now in this video. But yeah, that's sort of just the way it is right now. We're trying to move stuff out and make room for, yard sale. When we start sourcing at yard sales, all that stuff has to go somewhere, so we have to make the room now so that we have the room later. Okay, anyway, let's get into this one and pull some orders. Kicking it off today with a Depop sale, and we're gonna hit this hat bin for a couple. First off, Toronto Maple Leafs hat. This is one that I relisted. It's probably Y2K-ish CCM. Okay, it's a nice enough hat. I think I got $10 USD for this one on Depop. It's one of the ones that I had relisted. I think originally this hat either came from the Goodwill bins or that great big where I bought a pallet of used hats and went through. So I've had this one a while. $10 USD. I'll take it. Next, a Disney hat. This one's the same thing. I think this one came from that big hat pallet buy. Bad Attitude, Grumpy, Walt Disney World. I took new photos of this. Priced it down, still took an offer of $10 USD to get this guy out of here. I don't have any money into those anymore, those hats, so just getting them out of here, I'm okay with that for sure. One more hat. I listed this one this morning, and it was from the last $100, was it $110, $100, whatever hat buy that I just made, and it's this Pelee Island, Canada corduroy hat with these birds on it. This one I thought about throwing on my booth for $5, and I'm like, you know what? This one's too cool. Old corduroy hat. I think I'll try to get at least 15 US, $14.99, and it's sold within about an hour. Probably could have got more for it if I would have waited or listed it higher and waited, but I'm happy with that. A quick 15 US sale. Next, Lord of the Rings for PS2. I think this was from the attic buy, but I could be wrong. I've got a few games kicking around for a while. This $7 USD, not a lot for this game either, but we're moving it out, and that's the goal right now, moving stuff out. This is another one. I might just set this, I'll put it away in a minute, but another one on eBay here. It's a Kyber bag. I already pulled it out of here because I knew it was going to be in the bottom of this bin, and you guys see me break, actually last video I broke this handle, which is supposed to look like this, which is why the lid flew off. So I just thought I'd grab this one out of here. Not that that bin is heavy whatsoever, but this Kyber bag I picked up at Goodwill for my regular Goodwill price for bags like this. It's about $5.40. Had it listed higher. It is a good brand. Kyber usually is okay. But this I've had too long. It was on sale. Somebody offered me $21 and change, I think. Did I write it down? $21.11. And yeah, I took it. So we're gonna get this bag out of here, and that's the first round of orders. Today I'm just trying to get some stuff out last minute. This is definitely going to take place over 2 days, so you'll see me back out here tomorrow pulling orders. But yeah, let's get this stuff shipped out here. All right, so it's just the next day, and I actually wound up turning my heater off for the first time since I've had, well, actually, I think I turned it off once hoping it was going to be warm about a month ago, and then it turned completely nasty again. So we've got the heater off, we've got the windows open. I'm now dealing with, it's 23 degrees in here. It's too hot, but we're going to keep the windows open. Hopefully we're on the other side of it. I can throw the fan on, obviously not when I'm filming because it'll make too much noise, but we're kind of in the thick of things here to see what the temperature is going to be like in the shed going forward. It's just the beginning of warm weather. We're just hitting the 20s. And so, when we get to the 30s and, the Humidex and all that, I think it'll be pretty warm in here overall. But we are going to start off here with some eBay sales, starting off with this guy down here. I had this on sale and originally had it in my booth. You can see I still have the tag for my booth. I was thinking about taking it back. Had it for 120 Canadian. I think I also have this on, I don't know if it was a 20 or 30% off sale or what I was running, but we wound up getting $67.18 USD for this guy. I did pick this up at Goodwill, probably paid, it's in a video, you could go back and look. I think I probably paid around 20 bucks for it or something like that, Canadian. So it's still a good flip. I just thought I thought it'd be a great item for my booth, and it just never sold there. So You know, I could have had a price too high. Who knows? But next we sold some Mighty Beans, and I think this is the last of them. These were picked up at the Goodwill bins. I sold another complete case like this. I sold some individual ones. This one, I did take it out. They're on sale, and I took an offer as well. But yeah, I think there's 61 total, and we got $34 USD on this. But like I said, from the Goodwill bins, I would not have paid a lot for these for sure. Okay. Next, we have a toy going out. We're going to go to Poshmark.com. Not much for this toy at all. Once again, this came in a lot of this guy right here, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. These guys I did have listed individually. I typically lot them up, but I don't know, not much for that. $5 USD. Now we're looking for a t-shirt. It's a retro tee. It says, I think it's Michigan State, a champion shirt, retro but not old. Okay, so this is a modern t-shirt. Hard it'll be to find. It should be able to, if I folded it right, you should be able to read the yellow on the front there. Yeah, Michigan right there. Right on the front. Who knows if it says, oh, CL2 clothing too. Okay, I think $15 Canadian on that guy. The last thing, we're gonna move over to, should we put this away? Gonna move over to Poshmark.ca for a hat sale. This is a pretty good one actually. NHL hat collab with Labatt Blue. I'll pull this guy out of here. And might probably have to dig around a little bit to find it, but it is in here somewhere. So it winds up that it's not in that bin. So I kind of looked in here. I actually wound up looking in one of the bins over here that still had hats in it, and I thought, oh no, maybe it's on the shelf. But I did look through the shelf quickly, just kind of shuffled through hats, and then at the back I see this one and it's here. So this came from the same place a lot of these hats came from, another private buy. So I probably paid up a little bit for this hat, but you know, getting 57, even if I paid $5 or $10 for it, which I honestly don't remember exactly, I'd have to go back and watch the video. But $57 Canadian for this one. Great time of year to sell a hockey hat for sure with the playoffs going on. Labatt's Blue as well. Happy about that. Let's get this stuff out of here. So tomorrow morning, I'm actually going to my local auction house. They gave me a call the other day, so they had some money in an envelope for me. This is the second time I've got a payout from them. I think just after Christmas, I got some money from them, and now this is my second auction that I did with them. And I've been dropping stuff off randomly here or there. The last thing I dropped off were a whole bunch of the CED video discs, these things right here, the ones that I didn't list online. That's not what this auction was. I believe this past auction was a lot of the comic books that I had in bulk in my antique booth that I had listed for like $4 roughly each. I think a lot of them had sold in this auction for $1 or $2, but we'll break down that a little bit next week. I'll do a video talking about, you know, an alternate to maybe donating. So I didn't this is all stuff that I probably would have eventually just donated to a local thrift store, a Goodwill, a Salvation Army, someplace like that. And instead of doing that, I actually took it to one of these auction houses that do online auctions locally. I think this one they use like Hybid. I think a lot of them locally do, honestly, but it's just an alternative to donating stuff or stuff that you don't want anymore and you're not going to sell and maybe you can get some money out of. And everything from, I've gave them everything from clothing to vintage, I think like dishes and stuff like that, to just about anything you think of, like collectibles, toys, all sorts of little trinkety stuff. I'm not exactly sure what sold in this last auction. I believe it was comic books based off of the last time I looked at their website. I thought some of my stuff was listed, but we'll go through that next week. I'll do a little video about that and kind of show you how potentially you can take your unwanted stuff that you almost have given up on and maybe make a few extra dollars instead of just totally, you know, throwing in the towel on it. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know that that's kind of what we're going to talk about next week. Maybe Monday, maybe Wednesday video. I'm not sure. It really depends on what I get tomorrow when they hand me the papers, because I have no idea. They just said, hey, we have some stuff here we have to process. the payments and everything like that. And then Friday morning, we'll have some money here for you. So I'm like, yeah, absolutely. We'll see you Friday morning. And I actually already loaded my vehicle back up with stuff to bring to them again. So we're going to drop off some more stuff. So for me personally, it's definitely been worthwhile, but we will get to that video next week. If you guys do like videos like this one, though, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.